Hey everybody, David the AI Guide here. So, interesting thing in the news, AI is building highly effective antibodies that humans cannot even imagine. Robots, computers, and algorithms are hunting for potential new therapies in ways humans can't by processing huge volumes of data and building previously unimagined molecules. So I've mentioned this before, there is a breakthrough in materials and molecules going on right now. There's multiple periodic tables behind the standard periodic tables. So all sorts of new, not only materials, but medical molecules are being designed and developed that will cure a lot of currently incurable diseases.